In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add credit card to Disney app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can easily add any credit card that you have to the Walt Disney World app. So to do this, open the app and sign into your account. Once you are signed in and you access the profile or the account where you will be linking the card, go to the menu. So using this button at the bottom right corner of the screen with the three lines, go over to more options and then scroll all the way down. Eventually, you will reach the account category here. So tap on the three lines, scroll down until you find account, and then choose the option profile. You will see your name, your icon, and at the bottom, you will see payment method. So tap on this option, and finally, here you can add a new credit card. They might ask you to sign into your account again. So if they do, input your password once more. Now, after you input your password, the page will reload and you will see the option to add a new payment method. So tap here and now you can choose between a credit or debit card or a Disney Rewards redemption card. So tap on either of these and input the information. So you will need to input the full card number, the expiration date, security code, and the name on the card, alongside the billing address. Once you include all of this information, including zip code, city, state, you can save this card to your My Disney wallet. This way, you can easily use this card when you check out at any compatible Disney service. So all that you have to do is open the application, go to the menu, and under the account category, you can find the payment method option. You will also see Disney Rewards redemption card available here. So choose whichever option fits you. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a credit card to the Disney app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.